Hey, it's Elaf, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create some cool images and videos using AI with your own products. I'm starting off with a basket, but this is going to be a series of videos where I show you using different products so you can get a hang of the platform. If that sounds like something that you would find useful, then feel free to like and subscribe and comment any other things that you would like to see next. The content created can be used commercially and any way you want, so feel free to use it whether it's in your Amazon store or your Shopify or e-commerce brand or dropshipping store or Facebook or social media, whatever it is, then feel free to use it once you create them. Let me know if you have any questions, and now I'm going to jump straight into it. Starting off with this basket, I'm going to show you how to generate AI photos on both the creative and accurate mode. Here I'm on the background remover tab. I can upload a photo, but I did this earlier, so the basket is in my assets. I'm going to click on it, then click the green generate product photos button to send it to the third AI product photos and editing tab. Once it's in the AI editor tab, you can see the default mode is creative mode, so I'm going to type in my prompt straight away. In this case, I want this basket with a beige throw beside a linen sofa on a rug, soft morning light, white desk lamp in the background, black wall, cozy modern rustic feel, and click the green generate button. The creative mode means the AI will learn how the product looks and show a replica in the photo. Sometimes it works really well, other times you have to be a bit more detailed when describing the product in your prompt. This is what the first image generated looks like. I like it, so we'll save by clicking the arrow on the top right button and generate another one to see how it looks, and then I'll save that too. Next, I'll show you how the same photo looks in accurate mode so you can compare which one you'd prefer. Starting off on the background remover, I'm going to send the product to the studio editor tab, which is the second tab. Here I can position the product exactly where I want it to be in the image. Since accurate mode will use the exact input image that you upload and generate an AI background around it, you can position it in the place that you want first before generating the background. When I'm happy, I'll click the green generate product photos button to send it to the third AI editor tab. Here I'll select the accurate mode since the default is creative, then I'm going to edit the prompt to be more exact. On a rug with a beige throw beside a linen sofa, soft morning light, white desk lamp in the background, black wall, cozy modern rustic feel. Before I generate, I'm going to paint over the back of the basket so it doesn't show that in the photo, and then I'll click generate. It takes a few seconds to load, then 4 images are created in this mode, and the product is in the exact same position as the input image, as you can see. The output images are a bit awkward because I painted over the handle part, so I'm going to erase that and then generate again. 4 new images are generated. I'll flick through them to see which one I like, and then save the ones I like to my computer by clicking the arrow on the top right corner. And this is how the images on both modes turned out next to each other. You can pick which mode works best for you or your products. Next, I'm going to show you how to generate a product video of this basket. Here I'm on the background remover tab. I can upload a photo or use one I've previously uploaded, which would be in my assets. Then I'm going to click the green generate product photos - videos button. Once it's in the third tab, you can see the default mode is images. So click on the video mode. Now I'm going to type in my prompt. In this case, I want this exact basket with a beige throw on the floor in front of the sofa. Cozy modern living room, woman wearing a matching pajama set walks in to sit on the sofa and grabs the beige throw from the basket, and click the green generate button. It's good to emphasize you want this product and any other details that you think are necessary, since some subtle details aren't always picked up. It takes a few seconds to load, and then a video is created. Click play to watch. I like how this one turned out, so I'm going to save it. They don't always turn out perfect the first time given the nature of AI, but you can use it to get a general idea of how it looks and regenerate with a different prompt if necessary.